So here we have the BMW 320d M Sport Touring Automatic on a 17 plate. I'm going to show you around the outside of the car first of all, and then we'll hop in and I'll run through a few controls on the inside. As you'll see from the outside, it's got those M Sport 19-inch alloys, tinted windows around the rear and 5 doors. Let's start off inside the boot and then work our way around the rest of the car from there. So you'll see just before we open the tailgate that we've got those reversing sensors. The tailgate is electronic and opens with one push of the key, and you'll see it open up there. And then as we approach the boot, you'll notice obviously we've got loads of boot space, and those 3 rear seats will fold flat in 3 separate sections. So we're just going to work our way back round to the front of the car now, and then I'll hop in and run through some controls on the inside. But now that we've done a full circle of the car, you can see that it's in fantastic condition the whole way round. Just before we climb in, I think it's well worth seeing the interior from this exterior point of view. As you can see, you've got full leather interior. You can see the automatic gearbox there. There's plenty to run through on the dashboard, so let's hop in and we'll do that now. Okay, so we're going to start with the dials. On the far left-hand side, we've got the fuel gauge, followed by the speedometer, then the rev counter, and then the oil temperature gauge on the far right-hand side. In the middle, we've got the trip computer. You can see the total miles on this car are 9,929. You can change the information that's displayed just above that by pushing the button on the end of the indicator stalk, so you've got various different bits of fuel economy information there. If we back out to the steering wheel, on the left hand side we've got cruise control and speed limiter, and on the right hand side we have stereo controls and voice activation for the phone. So hit that button, ask it to dial anyone in your contacts list, and it will do that for you. That is of course once you've paired up the phone, which is done on the central screen here. So this car's got BMW's business nav. You can see that it's scrolling through various menus there. Everything that you do with regards to this screen is all done using the iDrive system just here. So twisting this will take it through the various options. You can then select things. You can move this to the right, left, up or down if you wish to as well. So I'll give you an example of that now. So we're on navigation at the moment. If I push that button down, it'll open the navigation menu. You can scroll up to destination input, or you can just view the map should you wish to. When you're in the map, if you want to access this menu to the left hand side here, just jog that dial over to the left and it'll open up that menu. And again, you can use the button to scroll down, where you could then input destination should you wish to, or down on the iDrive system, just press the menu button and you'll go right back to the beginning. So you can pair up your phone just there. Once you've paired your phone, not only can you make and receive phone calls, but via multimedia, you can also stream music wirelessly via Bluetooth audio as well. This car, on top of that, has got a CD player, a USB input, and auxiliary input as well. And then radio-wise, we've got FM, AM, and DAB digital radio. The other great thing this car has got, if I pop the car into reverse, is a reversing camera, as you can see there. So on top of the sensors front and rear, you've got a camera at the rear of the car as well. Working our way down, we've got the CD player just there, and then beneath that we've got the dual zone climate control, so you can adjust the temperature independently on the left and right hand sides of the car. You can then turn air conditioning on just here, or hit auto and it will maintain those temperatures for you. This car has also got a heated driver, and over the other side here, passenger seat as well. Beneath that, we've got the fully automatic gearbox. Next to the gearbox, we can change the driver setup slightly. So we're in comfort mode at the moment. If I hit the button that says Sport and then show you on the screen up here, in the center here, it will change it to Sport mode. We've also got Sport Plus, so it will turn off traction control, or back to Comfort, or all the way down to Eco Pro. It will basically change the way the suspension is set up, and the steering, and the sensitivity of the accelerator pedal. You can turn off traction control independently just here without having to change the mode of the car. You've then got the iDrive system, which we've already been through, and in the central armrest we've got the auxiliary and USB input. So all that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see the car in person and have a test drive, feel free to call any of our MJA sites. We'd love to hear from you soon.